Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you missed one day of the advent calendar on Dress to Impress. Unfortunately, you do need to use Robux for this because you need to purchase it. So don't miss one day of it. You'll get the reward after you've claimed every single day. And to do that, you're going to select the advent calendar here, select the day you've missed, and this is going to pop up. You're just going to press this button. I'm not going to do that though. But yeah, that is pretty much what you can do if you've missed one day on the advent calendar. If you've missed a couple days, I don't even know how much that's going to be. But yeah, just don't miss it because you'll get like super cute free items. And that is it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.